5 habits that are secretly draining your energy. Have you ever felt exhausted, even when you haven't done much? You might think it's just a lack of sleep, but sometimes the real culprit is hidden in your daily habits. Some things we do every day can slowly drain our energy, making us feel tired and unmotivated. In this video, we'll uncover 5 habits that secretly drain your energy and how to fix them. Let's dive in. 1. Constantly checking your phone. We live in a world where our phones are always within reach. Scrolling through social media, checking emails, and responding to messages can feel productive, but it's actually exhausting. Your brain has to process a massive amount of information every time you pick up your phone. This constant stimulation can lead to mental fatigue, making you feel drained. The solution? Set specific times for checking your phone and avoid using it first thing in the morning or before bed. Try leaving your phone in another room when you sleep and take frequent digital detox breaks to reset your mind. 2. Overcommitting yourself. Saying yes to every request might make you feel helpful, but it can also leave you feeling completely drained. Overcommitting means less time for yourself, less time to recharge, and more stress. If you're constantly giving your energy away, then there's none left for you. The solution? Learn to say no, prioritize your time, and only commit to things that truly matter. Set boundaries, and don't feel guilty about putting yourself first. It's okay to decline invitations or reschedule plans if you need to rest. 3. Poor posture and breathing. Believe it or not, the way you sit and breathe can affect your energy levels. Slouching can reduce oxygen flow, making you feel sluggish. Shallow breathing means your brain and body aren't getting enough oxygen. The solution? Sit up straight, take deep breaths, be mindful of your posture throughout the day, stretch your body regularly, and do exercises that promote good posture. Proper breathing techniques, like diaphragmatic breathing, can help improve oxygen intake and boost energy levels. 4. Negative self-talk. The way you talk to yourself has a huge impact on your energy levels. Constantly criticizing yourself or focusing on your flaws can drain you emotionally and mentally. Negative thoughts create stress, which leads to exhaustion. The solution? Practice self-compassion, challenge negative thoughts, and replace them with positive affirmations. Your mind is powerful, so use it to lift yourself up. Instead of bringing yourself down, journaling can also help you track your thoughts and reframe them in a more positive light. Surround yourself with uplifting people and consume content that inspires and motivates you. 5. Skipping meals or eating unhealthy food. Food is fuel. If you skip meals or rely on junk food, your body lacks the nutrients it needs to function properly. This leads to fatigue, brain fog, and mood swings. The solution? Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Stay hydrated. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar. Your diet plays a huge role in your energy levels. Make sure to eat regularly and listen to your body's hunger signals. Preparing meals in advance can help you maintain a nutritious diet, even on busy days. Here's the bottom line. These habits might seem harmless, but over time, they can secretly drain your energy. The good news, now that you know what they are, you can start making small changes to regain your energy. Be mindful of your phone usage. Learn to say no, fix your posture and breathing. Talk to yourself with kindness. Fuel your body with the right foods. Small changes can lead to big results. Take charge of your habits and reclaim your energy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.